So now we have some mystery objects here. Let's take a look. So in this case, I suppose I could actually start the graph. There it is. So I'm going to drop this wood block on here. And we see a small change. Let's call that good. Let's go ahead and, I suppose we should look at the data, right? This thing's driving me nuts. So it looks like, that's right before, 6.55 seconds, I get 2670 degrees per second. Just afterwards, probably right about there, that looks like just after 7.3 seconds, 2240 degrees per second. Again, time on this axis, angular velocity on this axis in units of degrees per second. That's it.